What up, Poot YouTube? My name is Noble Garatina, and I'm back with another Pokemon card opening. This time, instead of Burning Shadows, it is Guardians Rising. And you've probably been wondering, Noble, where the heck you been, man? We need our code cards. Well, don't worry. I got your fixes for you. Sometimes I purchase cards, or packs of cards, on the side when I need to, like, fill up a certain money limit when I go out comic book shopping. Instead of cards. Alright, so there you go. There's some little bonus extra. Most of them are Burning Shadows. Alright, so I'm back. I had to evacuate from Irma, and that kind of messed with a lot of plans, but let's see if these 4 packs give us anything, if I can open them. There we go. Opened it on screen. There we go. Alright. Alright. Code card. Oh boy. Alright. 2, 3, 4 front. And let's begin with the Darkness Energy. Oh goodness. It is not getting in the camera. Alright. Field Blower. Gothorita. Sableye. Cottony, that we saw earlier. Bellsprout. Oh, well. Gligar. Alolan Geodude. Patrat. Reverse Follow Sudowoodo, and Trevenant. Non-reverse, non-hollow. Okay. Get that out of the way. Let me do one quick thing. Aha! A little bit more light. Alright. I'll put Sudowoodo rare. No, it is not. Okay, move some stuff around. And the second pack of Guardians Rising. Oh, much more easier. Alright. Code 2, 3, 4. I'm going to look at the color of card. Alright. Let's see if I can get into the camera. Alright, Metal Energy. Another Sudowoodo. Melo. Let's try to get to the center of this. Energy Recycler. Cast Form. Ice Cream. Murkrow. Salandit. Nosepass. Reverse is Altar of the Moon, and we have, foil Chandelure. It's a good thing I'm recording this in the daytime, and when no one is sleeping or my roommates are here, but let's go ahead and sleep it out. That is a pretty card. Alright, so we're at least getting something out of this, I guess. Alright, move that off to the side. Got 2 more packs. So let's get right to it. Yeah. Oh, wow. First one was an embarrassment. The rest were like pish. Okay. Code. I don't think I picked packs well. Alrighty. Alright. Psychic Energy. Slowbro. Brooklet Hill. Beware. Santa Bird. Wishy-Washy. Jangmo-O. Wimpod. Machop. Reverse Ice Cream. And Oricorio. Okay. So, pretty much the only thing we've really got going for us is foiled Chandelure. Alright, last pack. I'm trying to get some good stuff, you know, like a GX, or a Full Art GX, or a Full Art Trainer card. Or if we can get really lucky, I can get the Full Art Alolan Vulpix, because that's one of my favorite Pokemon of Sun and Moon. Alright, last set. Grass Energy, another Field Blower, Gothorita, Sableye, Slowpoke, Wishy-Washy, Nosepass, Wimpod, I feel like I already got these cards, Goomy, Reverse Phantom, and a Victory Bell. Okay. Well. So this is probably one of the most disappointing openings you've ever seen. I picked packs pretty horribly this time. Or at least we got a foil Chandelure. So, yeah, there's that. I really don't know how to end it after this. But at least you guys got some extra code cards. Alright, I'm gonna end this video now.